Hi, and welcome to the third episode of Rapid Rundown, and prepare to get the latest news from last week delivered to you in a rapid fashion. So stay tuned to learn what those are. So the first topic of today is that the US government has shut down, which means that the government is only operating in limited capacity right now, and this has been the case since October 1st and is due to Republicans and Democrats being deadlocked over healthcare tax credits. And multiple Senate votes on competing funding proposals have failed, with neither side gaining enough support to break the impasse. And the second topic of today is that Bitcoin, the S&P 500, and markets like, for example, the UK with its FTSE 100 have hit all-time highs. Bitcoin has hit a record high of $125,000, up 12% last week, as investors seek shelter, so to speak, from economic uncertainty amid the US government shutdown. So this means that investors are basically hedging against political instability, and some analysts are predicting that Bitcoin could soon reach even $135,000. And the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and FTSE 100 from the UK and gold also rose, showing how investors are spreading risk across asset classes. And topic number 3 of today is oil price fluctuations. Brent crude had, up until last Thursday's 3 lossful days in a row. However, the previous week saw its biggest gain since June. And analysts say that oversupply concerns are overstated because China still has very high demand due to its stockpiling, and there's less supply from Russia in diesel due to Ukrainian refinery attacks. And OPEC Plus is planning an additional production increase for November, with Goldman Sachs predicting 140,000 barrels more daily. And the fourth and final topic of today is that global mergers and acquisitions activity surged past $1 trillion in Q3. And Q3 deals topping $1 trillion is only the second time in history. And this is largely driven by mega deals like, for example, the 55 billion EA, Electronic Arts buyout, and the 80 billion Union Pacific and Norfolk Southern merger. And year-to-date values are up 27% to $3 trillion. However, actual deal count is up less than 0.5%, and cross-border deals hit a decade low at 37% due to geopolitical protectionism. Alright, and that was the 4th episode of Rapid Rundown. I hope you enjoyed. If you're a professional investor and are looking for stress-free wealth building, check out autotradelab.com. And otherwise, comment down below what you think are other important news from the last week. And thank you for watching. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button and the bell. And have a great week.